Good morning, guys. So now we just woke up in Gilgit. We are trying to exit this room, and it's a bit of a mess. Got an extra mattress here. I mean, why not, right? Pretty comfortable stay here. We're going down for breakfast right now, and also getting all our luggages into the vehicle. This is the breakfast area. Alright, we're waiting for people to serve us, take our order. Kind of hungry actually, and I usually enjoy breakfast. I know it's like pretty standard: egg, chickpeas, you know, omelets and stuff, and prata, but I mean, they always taste good. The usual half fry, omelette, and prata. Prata here seems to look a bit fluffy and nice. Yep, and we got some chickpeas as well. We just checked out of the hotel. We had our breakfast. This has been Park Royal Hotel in Gilgit. I'd say the hotel is pretty decent, right? I would say it's above average as far as this place is concerned. But it's just one thing which I'm always bothered about. The internet connection is always terrible, right? It kept losing connection, and the thing is, they say the net is supposed to work in every room, but not really. It's just at one corner on the left, one corner on the right. That's it. Right, one of the network is having was actually a hidden network, and on top of that, yeah, one of the routers was not secured. So that was ridiculous. I actually rebooted the router, but still no internet. Oh well, we gotta go now. So on our way back, we realized that the new route is open. Babusar top is our next destination. So that's another viewpoint. I believe we should be able to see all the high-end, all the top mountains from there, like Nanga Parbat and all that stuff. It is one of the highlights, so I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm just glad the route is open. Not only that we get to see new stuff, we get to save on time and petrol, because this route is much shorter. My ears are popping. It seems to be a lot worse than it was in the Khunjerab Pass. The vehicle is getting really cold, so you can see the intense weather changes. I mean, it's amazing. It was like really hot like a couple of hours back, and then now it's like really cold up here. So we're all getting ready, wearing our winter clothes and all that, and it's a little bit drizzly. I hope it doesn't drizzle too much when we get up there. Wow, I mean, pressure changes is really intense now. My ears are popping. Lizzie is getting ready with her winter clothes. Here, Lizzie, get your stuff on. Alright, looks like we're all suited up, and did you check out the roads just now? So they had to cut through the ice just so that the roads can be usable. We're climbing up, I can feel it. Alright, it's confirmed. Actually, it is snowing. You can actually see snow flurries coming down. It's just beautiful. Currently, the traffic has been halted. I don't know for what reason. It could be this oncoming vehicle. So we gotta wait a while before we can proceed further. Just check out that tight road. It's super tight road. It's only one vehicle can go through at any one time. That's it, another roadblock. We might have to alight and walk. Yes, it is snowing, we can really feel it. And yeah, breathing issues, man, breathing issues. Alright guys, it's Christmas in June. It's really snowing. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Wow. Alright, the vehicles are all stopped right now. So long line. Just gonna walk a while. Walk around, get used to the cold. I've got my gloves inside, so maybe I can play around with the snow. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm trying to open my door here. This is the Babusar top. Look at the view around. Just look at it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I managed to fly a little bit right now, but I'm just gonna try again on my second battery. The wind is really strong, so I don't think I'll be able to go that fast. So let's get to it. I haven't seen my drone fly like this. I'm not sure. I may just try one more time. That was crazy because the drone was shaking quite a bit. It's pretty satisfied with the flights. Very shaky. I hope the images and the videos came out right. We realized that our driver had to make a U-turn because every vehicle that comes in, he has to come out almost immediately because there's a traffic jam. We realized our vehicle is on the way back, so we kind of gonna have to rush back. Hey Lizzie! Yay! Right now we are at the Moon Restaurant. It's somewhere right after Babusar Top, and we are headed. Our next stop will be Balakot. Balakot, I think it's a few hours away from here, and that's where we're gonna stay. But importantly, yeah, we are at Moon Restaurant right after Babusar Top. We are going to have our late dinner, come lunch. I would say most likely it's a dinner. It's a pretty nice place, really nice food, and got a little kids playground as well, as you can see in the background. There you go. Let's check out the food right now. Oh, look at all that naan, right? It's beautiful, it's beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. Nice. cooking the tandoor. Look at the tandoor. Now here, checking out the chicken saji. It's good. Wondering what we're gonna have next, what we're gonna eat next. I'm kinda hungry already. We have already ordered our stuff. We got like chicken saji, chicken handi, some rotis and some veg. Really hungry right now. One interesting thing to note is the way typical Pakistani, I would say, way of sitting down and eating food. It's really interesting. Check this out. So currently they managed to join 2 tables and 2 of these beds, I think. So people will just sit down here, just like what you see there over there. The rotis are here. We've got salad. The salads are always here on the table. This is a mixed veg and handi. Handi tastes really good.
Handi.
Yeah, chicken handi. I can smell gingery, right? I can smell ginger. It's beautiful. Oh yes, the biryani is coming as well. Oh, this is... Look at all the colors. Look at all the colors. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. One last thing, chicken saji. I'm still waiting for that one. Wow, this is awesome. Let me try the mixed veg as well. Authentic taste. I'm still waiting for my saji. Should be about 5 minutes. Yes, the chicken saji is finally here. Just look at it. Alright, we gotta start eating now. Just gonna take a bite at the chicken saji. I mean, it feels so fresh, full of chaat masala. It gives you all that flavor on top. You basically just sprinkle over it, and it actually feels very healthy. So there are no fats because, you know, of the way they cook it. Everything is just barbecued, or I don't know how they call it, roasted, right? Something like Kenny Rogers, yeah, roasted, but roasted over coal, right? There's no fire, it's just coal. So it's just roasted slowly. It takes a while to cook, but the end result is amazing. It's very healthy and fresh. I love it. I love it. Honestly, it's one of the better meals I've had in this tour. Right? Acha thana? Khana? Saira?
Very good.
Awesome. Zabardast.